Just got this 2-piece mini pry bar set sent to me from Mayhew Tools. Let's open it up and take a look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This company Mayhew Tools just sent me this 2-piece mini pry bar set. It comes with one straight and one curved mini pry bar. Part number on this is 31092, and these are made in the USA. I really like the company Mayhew Tools. I've used quite a few of their other tools, and really like their Dominator pry bar. I use that one a lot, so I expect that I'll like these as well, but let's open them up and see how they look compared to some of these other mini pry bars that I have. All right, well, first impression, I like the feel and I like the way they fit in my hand. Look how much more of an angle you have on this curved one here compared to this other one. And let's compare it to the Lisle here as well. That angle is really nice. You know, you're not going to be lifting out any manhole covers or anything like that with something like this. This is a very small tool made for small jobs. Really mostly using these on push pins and or electrical connectors. You know, engine covers, the inner fender liners, even the splash shield underneath the vehicle. A lot of times we'll use these push pins. Now I do have this push pin tool that works okay, but a lot of times I end up grabbing one of these mini pry bars, and so I was really interested in this one here with that really sharp angle. I mean, you can see how well that's going to work and the amount of leverage that you can get in there to pop that up. Yeah, that's got tons of leverage compared to the others. And this straight one, of course, I mean, yes, I know a lot of times we just grab a little mini screwdriver, but that's not going to be as strong as this one here. Now, these also have individual part numbers on them. The straight one here is 31128 and the curved one 31129. The length on these, just under 6 inches, which is longer than the others here. This little, this is PQY, made in China. That one's about 4.5 inches. And even these Lisle ones, they're just about 4 3/4 inches. Yeah, just under 5 here. This one's a little bit longer because it's got the magnet on the end. Now, I really do like the magnet that comes on the Lisle. You know, it's a pretty good magnet, and I do use that one quite a bit. The shirt pocket clip isn't really a big deal to me, which you can see the Mayhew does not have. They don't have the magnet or a shirt pocket clip, which is fine. I actually don't use the shirt pocket clips here. That might be a deal breaker for some of you, but I just like to have these in my top drawer. Would have been nice to have a magnet, but that's okay. I've got lots of other tools and lots of other pickup tools with magnets. Price on these is right around $20 on Amazon right now, and it says that these are an alloy steel. I can tell you that is very, very strong. There's very little flex on these, even with the added length and leverage that these have compared to the others. And the size on this is 1/8 inch, comparable really to the Lisle, although this one is shorter. It's got a bigger handle, but I really do like that added length, and I like that sharper angle that the Mayhew has. We also have this one here. It's a 3/16, and this one is going to be for a little bit bigger job than this one or these. But Lisle also makes a bigger one, a 1/4 inch version. It's the part number 35100. It's about $14. By the way, just for comparison, this set here from Lisle, part number is 35170. These are about $16 right now on Amazon. This one, you know, really for the money, if you're going to loan one of these to someone, you might as well have a few of these as well. This is by PQY, and this is 3 for $7, and they come in different colors too. So if you're one of those guys that really likes to theme your toolbox, you can pick whatever color you like. Now, the other difference here is in this handle. It's a different material, and you know, these are all probably the same type of material, but this is more of a textured finish. It feels good in the hand. It's not too small. You'll still be able to get that leverage that you need. So pretty basic little pry bars, but happy to have them, and I do kind of wish that they made maybe a thicker version in the same length here, and also wish they had a magnet, but you know, that's just my preference. You guys may have other preferences and may have reasons why you don't want a magnet on there. You know, these don't have any striking caps, so you're not going to be pounding on these, but if you had to tap something a little bit, I'm sure that would be fine. They do just feel very well made. Just want to say thanks to Mayhew for sending these to me. I do appreciate that. Again, just keeping in mind the size of this. You know, you're not going to pry back a caliper piston with something this small, or as I mentioned, pry off a manhole cover, but the uses on these are just countless, but definitely something that you want to have either in your pocket or in your top drawer of your toolbox. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same set from Mayhew along with these other pry bars as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.